Hello everyone, this is DMU here. Welcome back to my video. Today is Thursday. Sorry, it's my finger on the camera. Anyways, today we're about to unbox Inflatable. It's called The Grinch and Max. I know I love this movie, but it's a popular movie, just like the actors, like Jim Carrey, and in the new one, 2018 one. And also in the background, you see behind there's a inflatable, Thanksgiving inflatable in the background. It's more like Halloween, but it's supposed to be like Thanksgiving thing on over there, like tag. Yeah. So I'm gonna turn around this, and you see the details. What it looks like that. And there's the price right there, the Grinch and Max inflatable. Some people, they're like huge fan of Grinch and Max, and most people they don't. So, for my opinion, I love this. Really love the Grinch movie from just like in Universal. In Universal Studio, I think when I was a kid, I see the Grinch. I took a picture of the Grinch, the real life one, but it's not Jim Carrey, but it's a different like job in the field for costume and uniform thing. So yeah, so. Anyways, I'm going to unboxing this, and it's just we're gonna put it, but this one's like hanging on the top, but like that. So I'll bring it back, and I'll open it right now. Let's open this box up. And by the way, Black Friday's coming up this Friday. And like right after the Thanksgiving on 25.
Bad banana with a greasy black beard.
Open this up. Oops. Sorry about that. Accident.
Your heart's an empty hole. Your brain is full of spiders. You got galangal all Mr. Grinch. Well, I wouldn't touch you with a $39.
Oh, that's the problem. I'll try to go even faster if I could. Finally.
No one's denying. I'm a seasick crocodile, Mr. Grinch. Given the choice between you, I take the seasick crocodile.
Oops. Oh no. Oh, shoot. I think what time is it? Cut it out. Alright, I fixed it already. So let's put it up.
You're a mean
Try not to
one,
grab it up.
Mr. Grinch. You really are a dear. You're as cuddly as a cactus. You're as charming as an eel,
Alright.
Mr.
You can
Grinch.
see there's no stand. It's like holding the top like that. So yeah.
Greasy black beard.
It's really cool, guys. You can see closer, there's a Grinch and Max climbing on the top.
You're a monster,
He was trying to grab the tree
Mr.
like that.
Grinch. Your heart's an empty hole. Your
It's right
brain
there.
is full of spiders. You've got garlic in your soul, Mr. Grinch.
Mr. Grinch, he's back here.
I wouldn't touch you with
So
a
yeah. You can see, look at the floor. Hopefully it's not going to fall.
You're a vile one, Mr. Grinch. You have termites in your smile.
there's Max and the Grinch. Hopefully you guys, if you can see this Grinch on the top with it. His face looks good. And Max, well, he has a big ears right now. And the left side is right there. Well, that was pretty much it. That was it. Hopefully the Grinch will be cool. And hopefully this one, this big, huge, like 6 feet tall of it. And make sure to subscribe to my channel. That was pretty much it today. Cause the next one is coming up on next week on Tuesday, or maybe Thursday next week. It's called the Santa Minion Stewart. It's gonna be the one more day, and hopefully I might get the Grinch or Trolls or Scooby-Doo, something like that, and Inflatable. You know what I mean. So, yeah. And next week is almost close to Christmas on December. So, stay tuned, guys. Mr. Grinch.